Hi, this is Irina from Hund, and in this video I will show you the functionality of our icon library in Figma. To be honest, it's not the usual library, it's more like a system of stickers and stencils. The library is a universal tool for designers so they can use not just icons but an entire system to create various solutions for a specific task. It often happens that icons need to be adapted to the context. I will show you. For example, we need a trash bin icon. We go to symbols and select an icon, a symbol, that we want to modify. Then we go to the right menu and select the name stroke and search for the bin icon. Okay, so we select it. Then we can start all modifications. For example, size, we can make it smaller or of course bigger. We can round the corners or sharp them. We can change forms. For example, square with stroke or without stroke. We can remove background or add it. We can change colors. Let it be, I don't know, blue or red or whatever you like. For example, we need two different icons. Let's here remove background and make one more. All the same, go to the name, find trash, select an icon, then make modifications. For example, let's make it point, then remove stroke, remove background. No, we need stroke. Let's make it not black but I don't know, blue, or again purple. Okay, and make it a little bit smaller. So here we have two different icons that we made just in 30 seconds. The first option, for example, means to move to the trash, to delete. The second one could be a trash can icon on the map, which represents an urn. Of course, very, very conditional. But here, what is important here? The speed. We made two different icons with two different meanings for two different tasks just in 30 seconds. What else is interesting? Icons can contain not only icons, but they can also be letters and emojis. So you do all the same. Copy icon and then start to modify it.